It was not recording. I didn't
It's
press.
not recording?
No, I didn't press. Only press now.
Crotch. Okay. There's a crotch line, if I may put it this way. Okay. Then it's like, oh, it's 5 centimeters. For now, I want us to, it's like your thigh. It's 5 centimeters. And from the crotch, here's our crotch at 23. Depending, sometimes it can be 26. Then it's 5 centimeters.
So that 5 centimeter, even if a person is fat, you always increase the crotch by 5.
If a person is
fat.
Yeah, this is bigger, then we'll have to adjust it there. We'll have to adjust. There's another thing. The bust, the waist is 5 centimeters. The crotch 1.5. The front crotch is like 1.5. The crotch. Alright, we'll do that. Then I sent to you because at the back, in front it was how much? It was 4 centimeters.
Yeah, then it's 6.
Then I added up to 6. Let me write it.
Front is 4, back is 6.
Then
yeah, 6.
6. I wish I can. Okay. Alright. Now I say to you. Okay. I see here for the learning purpose. Okay. For us to get our crotch at the back, because at the back it's gonna be like a deep one. Then here we go. Will you ignore this line?
Okay.
I was just tracing it.
Okay.
Tracing. Okay. Even if this one you join it like this, it will still work. Okay. Let me do this. This is the back. Please, that one, leave it for now. This will be a crotch.
Not this one.
Yeah, I was just tracing it. This will be your crotch at the back. Okay.
Write your back crotch.
Okay.
So that I know.
Let me use it. Okay.
Oh, yes.
6
Centimeter. Back.
Back. Crotch. Crotch. Okay. We're gonna leave it like this, then I will explain more to you. So this is our 20 centimeter of our waist. 5 centimeter on top, 5 centimeter at the bottom, and I think I went down. It's like the thigh measurement here.
Yeah.
You have to accommodate. And then I say with the crotch here, just extend it's a back, extend with the 6 centimeters.
6 centimeter.
Can even go 7 centimeter, but let's stick to 6 centimeters as per our time. Here I think I went wrong. It's like a square. It's not straight. That's why we need to ease. So here I said ignore it because I was just tracing.
Yeah.
So this is how you find your crotch.
So, okay, let me trace it with the blue one.
Yeah,